Before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Gold Oneshot EA for MT5. This is a single position gold system on the H1 time frame. So let's look at the claims and carefully examine the backtest results that were shared on the MKO5 website. So as you can see from the quite limited MKO5 description, the Gold Oneshot is an automated trading robot specifically for XAUUSD on the H1 time frame. It uses a one-shot strategy, meaning only one position at a time, combined with a stop loss and dynamic autocut signals. The developer describes it as aiming for safer and more potential trading by keeping exposure limited to a single order. You can see the EA goes for 750 US dollars. And the approach is presented as relatively straightforward. One calculated entry, hard stop loss protection, and dynamic exit signals that adjust according to market conditions. This is positioned as a safer alternative to systems that stack multiple positions or use recovery methods. Alright, so the key marketed features include the one-shot single position rule, stop loss on every trade, dynamic autocut signals for exits, focus exclusively on gold, and operation on the H1 time frame. The overall pitch is safety through limited exposure combined with potential on the gold markets. Because the public description is brief, many of the exact entry rules, filters, and internal logic remain opaque. Users would need to rely on the provided settings and their own testing. Alright, so let's analyze the screenshot we have here. So looking at the backtest screenshot provided on a 10K account with 1:100 leverage, the equity curve shows extremely strong growth over a long period, turning the account into a multi-million figure. You can see gross profit is very large. The profit factor sits around 1.45 and recovery factor is high as well. However, the relative drawdown figures are also substantial. You can see the balance drawdown is 23.58%. All right. So this kind of equity curve is visually impressive, but extreme long-term growth combined with high relative drawdowns often raises questions about curve fitting, unrealistic modeling assumptions, or conditions that may not repeat in live trading. Gold can produce powerful trends, but sustaining such performance across different market regimes is rare. The one-shot design with stop loss is conceptually safer than grid or martingale systems because exposure is limited. Dynamic autocut signals aim to improve exits. Still, the size of the reported drawdowns means that even a single position system can put significant pressure on an account during adverse periods. Honestly, the features that matter most are the hard stop loss, the single position rule, conservative risk settings, and thorough independent testing. The H1 time frame on gold reduces some of the noise of lower time frames, but gold remains highly volatile and news sensitive. Alright, as for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, extremely strong backtest results should always be treated with caution. They may not transfer to life conditions. High relative drawdowns indicate periods of significant equity pressure. The author of the product is currently listed as debarred from selling on MKO5, which is an important factor for potential buyers to verify and consider. Broker spreads, slippage, and modeling quality can dramatically change real results. In practice, any goal system requires careful risk control and realistic expectations. Past results never guarantee future performance. So, who is this actually for and who should avoid it? This EA may interest experienced gold traders who understand the risks of XAUSD, prefer single position systems, and are willing to independently verify performance with their own broker settings. You should probably strongly avoid this EA if you're a beginner, have a small account, cannot tolerate large relative drawdowns, or are looking for a low risk system. The combination of extreme backtest growth and high drawdown figures warrants extra skepticism. Overall, Gold Oneshot EA is a single position gold system on H1 with stop loss and dynamic exits. The shared backtest shows dramatic growth alongside substantial drawdowns. Independent verification, conservative risks, and realistic expectations are essential. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex button in the description too. Trace safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.